Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is I Shall Wear a Crown. And guys, this is a classic Thomas Whitfield classic. We're in the key of E flat on today, and this was requested by Bernice Hughes. Thank you so much, Bernice, for giving us this awesome song to work on. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. Alright guys, we're in the key of E flat. Let's get it. That's E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, and E flat. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, guys, we're going to do like we always do. We're going to crack our knuckles. We're going to stretch them out. Let's get the nerves out. Yeah, there we go. All right, let's get it. I shall wear a crown.
I shall wear a crown. I shall wear a when it's all over. Voice right here and say, soon as I get home.
That was I Shall Wear a Crown by Thomas Whitfield. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys, we're going to get through it. So we're starting out with I shall wear a crown. Let me give you that. So we're on our 5. And we're playing this D flat 7 chord. Going to our 5 flat, and we're playing this D flat 7 flat 5 chord. Crown. Right there on crown, we're playing the 4. And we're playing our E flat 6 chord. Now, something I like to do before I get to that B flat chord, I like to go and then go. So all I'm doing is I'm playing the B flat at the top, and then I'm playing the G and the E flat, finishing that E flat major chord. So I'm going. So now I'm on my 5. I'm playing a B flat major chord with that added to. I shall wear a crown. All right, let me give you that. All right, so we're going. We're on our 5. We're playing an A flat 7 chord. Right there, we're playing a G flat 7 flat 5 chord on the 4. Now we're on our B flat major chord, and we're on our 3. We're moving it down to the 7, and we're playing an F major chord, going right back to that B flat major on the 3. Nice gospel movement. Let me give you that. So I'm on my 1, and I'm playing my G flat diminished 7, going to my 7, and I'm playing my F diminished 7. Then right here on the 6, I'm playing this nice B flat 6 chord. I'm doing this nice turnaround. I'm playing on the 3. I'm playing my B flat minor chord, going to the 6, and then I'm playing this E augmented chord. Now, if you like to make it more beefier, you can add that chord to make it a little bit bigger. I'm playing a C, E, B flat. Okay. When it's all over. All right, let me give you that. So I'm playing a flat 7 major chord on my 2, and then I'm going. All right, I'm just going to the 6, and I'm playing this B flat major chord, going right back to my A flat 7 chord on the 2. Then we're going when it's all over. All right, what is that? B flat, A flat. Now I'm playing this nice jazzy chord on my 7 flat. That's a B flat, B, E flat, G. Then we're doing this nice gospel turnaround. All right, let me give you that. So I'm playing my 6. I'm playing an E flat major chord. Going to the D major chord on the 6 flat. Going to my 5 and I'm playing my D flat 7 chord. Now I'm on my 5 flat and we're back to the beginning of the song with the D flat 7 flat 5 chord. All right, so now what we could do to come out of all of that, we could go, when it's all over. Now they're doing this nice gospel walk up. I'm going to put on my robe. All right, let me give you that. So we're going on the 2. We're playing this nice dominant 7 chord. Going up to our 3, we're playing this D flat diminished 7 chord. Going up to our 4, and we're playing this nice beautiful chord. Put on my robe. Now we're just on the 5, and we're playing an E flat major chord. Tell a story how I made. All right, let me give you that. That's beautiful, right? Tell, we're on our D flat dominant 7 chord. Right there on the 7 flat, a story. C dominant 7 on the 6. How I made. Guys, gospel. This is gospel right here. All right, we're on the 4. We're playing our A flat diminished 7. Going to our 3. That's a B flat diminished 7. Made it over. A flat 7 chord on the 2. I'm going to give you this nice, beautiful gospel turnaround. All right, what is that? We're on the 1. We're playing this E flat dominant 7. Going to the D dominant 7 on the 7. Going to our 7 flat, and we're playing this D flat dominant 7 chord. All right. So to come out of that, we're going to the key of G flat. All right. Now what they're doing is they're going. Let me give you that. So we're in the key of G flat now, right? So we're on our G flat dominant 7 chord on the 1. Walking up, we're on the 2. We're playing an E major chord. Going back to the G flat dominant 7, just inverted on the 3. Okay, so now we're on the 4. We're playing a B major chord. We're playing a G flat major chord on the 3. Same G flat major chord on the 3. Good. Now we'll just change up our right hand. We're playing a B flat major chord, still on the 3. We're just ending with a G flat major chord on the 3. Guys, that's the whole song. I hope this was a blessing to you. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt you. I know things are getting good, but before we continue, come join our growing Numerical Melodies community on Facebook. I'm sharing all the songs I love to hear and play, and I hope you will too. Go check it out. And now, back to our lesson. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is boots, dinner, and a life lesson. Before I married my amazing wife, I had one of those life lesson moments at the airport where I worked. I helped a woman with her luggage. She was from London, and I thought, cool, I'll show her some southern hospitality. We grabbed dinner, and it was going fine until she said, let's go shopping. I figured, okay, she's on vacation, that's normal. But then she spotted these designer boots, turned to me with a grin, and said, I love these. Are you going to buy them for me? I looked at her like, ma'am, I just met you. I don't even know your middle name. And those boots cost more than my paycheck. No way. So I drove her back. And before she even got out the car, she was already on the phone with another guy like, hey, I'm free now. Let's hang out. Then she gave me the famous church hug. You know, the slight lean in and arms held stiffly. God bless you. But don't get too close. Here's the lesson. Some people are only interested in what you can give, not who you are. Be generous, but also be smart. Kindness is free, boots are not. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and giving me your time, and I really appreciate you. And Bernice, thank you so much for that awesome song. Please request more. Guys, this is the time of the video. I tell you that we are on the road to, yep, I heard you say it, 1 million. Let's give it up for 1 million. Yeah. And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. And we have a bell. I would love it if you could hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. It takes 3 seconds to hit that subscribe button. Let's do it in 3, 2, 1. Bam, I see you just hit it. And you just hit the bell. Guys, you have just made my day. You know what? You're not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing off.